Your last day at school. The 3rd of March 2022 was my last day at school. I was happy and sad. Happy at the prospect of joining a college and sad at the thought of leaving my school where I had spent 7 years of my life. I reached the school as usual at 9:15 a.m. I had with me only one book, which I had borrowed from the library. All the 10 class students come to school without their satchels. There was no teaching on that day. I went to library and returned the book. After that I went to the mathematics teacher and cleared my doubts. I also met my friends. Some of them talked about the coming examination while others talked about their future careers. A farewell party was arranged at 5 p.m. The students of 9th class played the host. The program consisted of a short variety show and few speeches. Our principal gave a brief speech assuming that our memory will remain in the nooks and corners of the school foyer. When the function was over, I shook hands with my friends, respectfully bade my teachers goodbye and returned home.